Alright guys, welcome to Blacktop Cruisers. Today we're going to solve this problem. Does your car not hold the trunk up anymore? We are going to solve that today with a new pair of gas struts. So we're inside the Contour trunk, and here you can see that strut right up there, and there's one more over there. They have failed us, so it's time to replace them. After 165,000 miles and 20 some odd years, their time is up. So we're going to show you how to take them out. First thing you're going to do, and it's going to be the same on both sides. First thing you're going to do, you're going to pull this guy out, which if you're lucky, your car still has it. So just kind of pull that out of there. All right, and then if you look up in here, I gotta turn that for a second. On the end here, it's got a little like thing here. You put a little screwdriver in. I'm gonna go grab that. I'll be right back. All right, so, oops, hold on. Kind of hard to tell, but stuck the screwdriver in there, and I'm kind of pry it up on that little plastic metal band there, pop it off, and that pops off. Now the fun part, can't really see it, but you got to do the same thing way back there, and I will be honest with you, it is a miserable job, so I'm not going to record it while I do that. Okay, there, so I got that end. That's the end that's way up inside there above the strut. As you see, what I got there is a long inspection pick that I use at work, and you just kind of see from the front or back, you see that indent that kind of goes under there. That's how you release the lock. Once you get that lifted up just a little bit, it's not much, it will release it. So pretty easy. It sucks, like it's hard, but it's pretty easy. So now when you go to install it, you want to do the same thing. You want to install that pick so it's under there, so it lifts up just a little bit, and then it'll go right on. And then you pull the pick out, and then it's locked on. There, now that we got our new strut in on one side, we can put it back together. And, you know, just kind of work it back in there, and it goes under there. You know, if you can help it, put your Christmas tree plugs back in their holes. That helps. And this guy goes behind the plastic. There, pretty much done. Now to do the other side. Yay! All right. We are done. Look at that. Boom. Now you can take that damn prop rod and toss it away because you don't need it anymore. You have now fixed the struts on your trunk, and you have now made more space in your trunk. And you did it yourself. Good job. You should be proud of yourself. Come back next time, subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Thanks.